Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have an installer cutting two lengths of rope to be installed on farm A and farm B. And if we just set the rope for farm A, rope for A, will just be equal to the variable A, and the rope farm B to be the variable B, we're going to come up with a system of equations and we're going to be solving for A and B. So we know the two lengths of rope combined have a length of 102 meters. So that means A plus B is equal to 102. Next, we know the rope for farm A is equal to 44 plus the rope of B. So 44 plus B. Now we can substitute this value of A into this equation. So what is that going to look like? Well, we have A plus B is 102, is the equation we already have, and we're going to be substituting 44 plus B into this equation for it, so that way we only have B, we can solve for B. So subtracting 44 from both sides, these cancel out. Over here we have 58, and on this side, B plus B is all that's left, so that's just going to be 2B. Alright, 2B is equal to 58, divided by 2 on both sides. These 2's cancel, you're left with B is equal to 58 divided by 2, which is just 29. Since we're looking for, in this problem, for the length of rope B, it's just going to be 29 is our answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.